Hello there, welcome back to Slaughter Food Creations. Paulie here, got a great recipe for you. It involves mushrooms. Hope you love mushrooms as much as I do. If you try this recipe, I guarantee you it will grow on you. Alright, we have a pan heated up here on medium-high heat. We'll go in with a couple tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, like so. I've got our mushroom here sliced up, so we'll get that in there. That's been washed. After I get those in there, I like to put a lid on it real quick, just for a couple minutes, maybe less. After about a minute, I take the lid off. You can see it lets them, they release a lot of their liquid that way. And we can go in with our red onion, our sliced red onion. Like so. Get that stirred in. Now that I've got my onion in, I'll go ahead and get my seasoning, some salt. Kosher salt, cracked black pepper, like so, some herb de Provence, and then we'll get that incorporated there. After about a minute, we'll go in with our minced garlic and get that incorporated. After about 45 seconds to a minute, we're going to go in with some balsamic vinegar. I'm using raspberry balsamic vinegar, but you can use regular. I like the hint of berry, so we'll go in with a dash or so of that. Let that reduce down. I went ahead and reduced our heat, and I picked it up off the heat a little bit there. And I'm going to go in with a tablespoon or so of butter to finish off our sauce here. And we'll be ready to plate up. Like I said, I killed the heat already because it doesn't take long to reduce down. Once we get our reduction and ingredients done here, we can set it off to the side, like so, in a bowl or however you want to do it. And over here I've got some buttered Italian bread, and we'll go ahead and go in there with that and get that toasted up. I went ahead and flipped our bread to the other side there, so we got some nice toast here. So we go ahead and put that on our plate, like so. Gorgeous, and we're ready to plate up here. Anyway, there's our mushrooms in a balsamic reduction there with red onion. And we'll go ahead with a chiffonade of basil. Chiffonade of basil. Leaves, roll, cut. So anyway, there's our dish. Hope you enjoy. And we'll see you next time here at Slaughter Food Creations. And one final note, this is really good on steak as well. So I've done it. I love it. So check it out. Hope you enjoy. See you next time.